All right. Do you ever watch somebody unbox something and you're just like, oh yeah, I'm so happy for you, but actually you kind of hate them? Okay, so what we found today was $60. These are little critters by Artesania Rinconata. Now I tell you what, if you can guess how many I'm gonna unbox and get it typed in before this video is over, you will win absolutely nothing. Okay? You're ready, right? This is about to be no joke. So, so ridiculous. Alright? Little zebra. I don't know if you know much about Artesania Rinconata, but they're the two brothers on the corner from Portugal. Uruguay? I always mix up Uruguay and Portugal. I don't know what's wrong with me. But yeah. Let's keep unboxing these, right? Did I just kick the camera? Might have done. That's a Roadrunner. How cool is he? Huh. Never seen a Roadrunner before. You guys think I'm probably just about done, huh? That's a polar bear. Oh, this is one of the special edition lions with all the gold on it. Listen, I don't think you understand yet how many of these there are. Who's keeping count? We don't know how many we just bought. We saw the ad and we assumed somebody would get it before us. These were advertised as stone animals. You know, friend, I really like to correct and educate people. That's a quail. A quail. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gravy. Listen, we're going to keep a bunch of these. We actually love Artesania Rinconata. But the ones we don't keep, well, I'll let you know about those. Now listen. So these were advertised as stone animals. And they were $60. You can see right now that I believe that's an ocelot. You can see right now I've already laid out more than $60 worth of these animals. Just the lion alone, I without even looking, comp prices or anything, I bet that's $50 or $60. Another raccoon, also holding a fish. Oh my god. Oh my god. And listen, this is an actual love affair. Like, we actually enjoy these. We're actually going to keep a bunch of these. That's a big old albatross. I mean, we love birds and animals and all sorts of things. Look at this guy. Oh my goodness. And you see why we like these, right? I mean, how could you not? Honestly, between me and the wife, I mean, I don't know if any of these will be for sale, so you'll have to check back in with us. I believe that's a puffin, maybe? Maybe he's a tiny penguin. That's a dog of some sort. Maybe like I don't know, a fluffy dog. Is anybody counting these? Well, you know, I wouldn't have suspected that was Artesania Rinconata just seeing it, but I mean, look at it. It's a seagull. He's marked on the bottom. Goodness gravy. These are so cool, dude. Let me, fan these out a bit here. Alright, we're seeing everybody? Okay. Let's keep going. Yeah, you thought maybe I was done now, right? I don't know what the heck that is. He's solid, though. I like him. Is that Yoshi? That's a cow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is a goat, complete with sharp little pointy horns and stuff. I mean, gosh, if you don't like these, dude, I mean, good, because we'll keep all of them. Beautiful little swan. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Here's like a gazelle, I think. I don't know why I set it down like that. That was really silly. Goodness. A big old water buffalo. Oh, oh, look at him. It's a pheasant. Oh my goodness, how cool is he? That's definitely in the keeper pile. Little hippo. We already have a house hippo. You might be safe on that. Oh, you're not getting the squirrel though. Jeez, bud. Yup, can't have it. Can't have it. You got a better chance of getting the skunk. Nah, I'm just kidding. You can't have the skunk for sure. look at his little face. Oh my god. And he's holding a flower. Get out, dude. This was included. It is a foo dog from China. It feels like it's probably resin. Oh, it says things on the bottom. You guys tell me what that says. Read that thing in Chinese for me. What is his face? What is that? What is that? What is this thing? Oh my god. Is that another goat? It can't be a goat, can it? What is that? I love it. What? Can't be a burrow. Well, maybe. A rhino, because why wouldn't there be? Oh my god, what's the little thing? He's got a little bird on his back. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Jeez, I'm craw, dude. I love these guys. If you guys have never heard of this company, they've been doing this for a good long minute. And like some people are very in the know on them. And then some people sell, God, 50 of them for $60. And I'm just going to say now, and I'm sorry, that was a mistake. That was not what we would historically refer to as a good move. An armadillo? Aardvark? What? One of them. A wild boar. Jeez, I'm craw. I love these so much, dude. Does he have giant balls? He does. Score. Well, you're not getting him. Throw balls out of our house. This is ridiculous. A big buffalo, bison. Oh my goodness. I love their little faces and stuff. They're so good. Is it too late to turn the light towards our objects here? Best filmographer ever. So look, this is the first Rinconado we ever found, accidentally in an auction lot. I just loved it. I'm pretty sure this is the reason I bid on the auction lot. If you can hear me snuffling and sniffing, it's because I'm gross. So in this lot, we found her baby. Oh my god, dude. No. Oh. Yep, not getting the baby fox. Is this a tiny little moose? He's so small he might be a meese. Ah! Hold on, let's get us back to where we're looking at kind of everybody here. Okay. Oh my goodness. What is that? What kind of canine is this? Is this maybe a silver fox or something? Jeez. This is unbelievable. I mean, we actually love these and we look for them every time we go out, you know. I mean, this is a thing we're searching for. Little black sheep. Oh my god. Alright, I'm back. I had to blow my nose. What is this guy? What is that guy? What kind of... Is that a cassowary? Is that... No, because he's got real wings. What is that? Is it a peacock? Like a less colored peacock? What is going on here? Say peacock to me one more time, mother... Sorry. A tiny little pig. Look at how tiny he is compared to some of these other fellas. Dude. Oh my god. Have you guessed how many are left yet? How many do you think are left? Is it less than a breadbasket? Fat little seal. Oh, it's the mama pig. We got the mama pig and the baby pig. Let me go back to it for you here. Do you see them? It's only the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Except maybe the bird on the back of the rhino. That's pretty epic. Alright. Clear some space again. The skunk, dude. Are you kidding me? Get that fella out of here. He doesn't belong with the Rinconatas. Jeez, dude, the pheasant. I love that so much. Well, obviously... Yeah. Yeah, you like it? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I won't do it again. I swear. Now the babies are next to the mamas. Jeez. Is this a bunny with an emo haircut? Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Oh my word, there's another tiny pig! I keep looking and there's still like a fairly large handful of them in there, so I mean, keep going? I guess we'll just keep going, huh? Oh my goodness. It's a cat. You guys don't have a chance on the cats, dude. Like, no chance whatsoever. It's a Sphinx cat, I bet. I bet that's what his little headgear is. Oh, or is it maybe like a bobcat? Maybe it's a bobcat. Either way. Either way. Oh my goodness, look at this little dog. Oh my goodness. And look, they all have enamel on them and stuff too. I mean, these really are like well done little pieces of art. They ain't no joke, man. Two brothers had their little shop on the corner. Artesania Rinconata. And that, I think that means two brothers on the corner. A kangaroo. Nobody likes kangaroos. I mean, who even? With a Joey. Oh my goodness. Oh, jeez, craw. That's a lion. And I wish I was lying that we had a second one. I'm not. We have two of them. You can suck it. I'm sorry. That was rude. That was rude, and I apologize. All right. Oh no! It's a tiny zebra. Oh my god! I'm gonna lose my mind. We have so many mamas and babies. Look, if this isn't the way you talk about tiny animals that are adorable, I don't want to hear it. You can keep your serious, deep-pitched voice to yourself. Nobody gives a shit. He's got an emo eye. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Jeez, I'm craw. And a poodle. Hey, what's up, poods? And then I did save the best for last. Look at this freaking guy. He's bigger than all the other ones. Let me move a couple here, make sure we're not boinking anybody. Bigger than all the other critters there. Big old bald eagle in blue.